Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make salted brownie cookies. They're crisp, chewy, and fudgy brownie cookies with a bit of salt. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then chop up the dark chocolate, add it into a medium heat-proof bowl, and add in the butter that's been cut into small pieces, and heat it over a double boiler or in the microwave until they're both melted, stirring it often so it heats evenly. Once it's all melted, take it off the heat and set it aside to cool. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, or I also have a video showing a recipe that's all done by hand and I'll link to it in the description box. Add in the eggs that are at room temperature, sugar, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, and beat them using the whisk attachment on medium speed for 5 minutes until they're really light and airy. Turn the speeds down to low, and slowly pour in the chocolate mixture with the mixer running. Make sure the chocolate mixture is cooled to room temperature before adding it in, or it might cook the eggs. Once it's all added, turn the mixer back up to medium speed and beat it for another 30 seconds. Then add in the dry ingredients. Mix them in on low speed until just combined or almost combined. Then add in the chocolate chips and mix them in by hand until they're evenly mixed through the batter. Line a sheet pan with parchment paper. Scoop 2 tablespoons of batter for each cookie and place them onto the pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart. And bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes until they're set and crinkly on top. When they're done, remove them from the oven. Sprinkle a bit of coarse salt on top of them. Let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or at room temperature. And repeat that until all the batter is used up. And that's how to make salted brownie cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.